welcome back to the video. Today I'll be reviewing this, the 10th Doctor Light and Sound TARDIS. Last time we looked at the Paget Troughton box and the Jon Pertwee box, so I think we'll look at this time. So anyway, let's get into the video. Well, starting with the interior card. This time it actually has an interior card from the Jon Pertwee one, and the Paget Troughton one we looked at last time did not. But this one does, which is a nice feature. It's only quite small, but it's still a nice detail. And you've got like a brick floor there, and there's a little button which you can press to close the left door. This one there, you press that and it goes down. So it's a pretty cool feature. And now it's updated with the new Please Public Call box, and the windows are now you've got the stained windows on the right and the left side. And I do really like this lantern too. I like the big lanterns, and also the roof is improved a bit because they're like small upstairs, and we've got like, it looks more like a police box, I think, this time. You might be able to see it's got some not wooden, it's got some dirt here that just shows about the 10th Doctor, really. And it really does, really, and it's a really nice design, and I like how it's all updated, and it's really nice. And we've got the new nice golden keyhole from 2010 series, obviously. And there's a David Tennant figure, what is included in the set, by the way. That's just a size to the box. So it is really big actually for a toy, basically. So yeah, it's a really nice design, really nice, very, very detailed. We've already got down to the wooden bit there. And since this is Light and Sound TARDIS, that is what I'm going to show you now. So I think that's the TARDIS in its true form, and it is really nice. It just lights up, and it just looks so nice. And it's got other sound effects too, and you can even go on inside of it too. It's got lights inside of the actual TARDIS, which is so nice. To put a lot of thought into this. And it also has a flying sound effect too. If you close it and you spin it. That's the taking off noise. There you go, that's the TARDIS in flight. So it is really cool, guys, really cool. So that's it for and this is the TARDIS in its true form, really. That's just a fantastic light show. It was just so nice. I love it how it all lights up, and but anyway, should we look at the character now? So we'll go away from the TARDIS and look at the character, what is included by in the set, I think. So here we've got David Tennant right now, the standard David Tennant. We've got him with a blue suit and the tie, no glasses, by the way. We've got his tie with a light blue shirt, and then we've got a brown big baggy coat. His hair looks nice, just roughly David Tennant, really, with a sweep to the side and the crazy hair. And we've also got his nice red and white Converse shoes, and again full blue suit. So just basically we've got typical David Tennant, really, to think about it. If you know what I mean, guys. He's detailed, but just your standard David Tennant, but still really good buy. And I'll tell you what I think of the set now. What do I think about the 10th Doctor Light and Sound TARDIS? I have to be completely honest with you, but one of the best things what I bought Doctor Who related. It is so detailed, going down to the clips what we saw at obviously with the light and sound. It was so nice, so detailed, and it just feels nice overall, and so does the atmosphere of the TARDIS. You just get that really nice look over it, and that really nice dark navy blue from the 2010 David Tennant era. And the figure is really good, and it's included with the set too. You probably can't get this. You probably can't get this anymore, but you can probably get it on stores like, for example, Amazon Prime. You can maybe get a cheeky buy there, but mostly eBay. I got this one off eBay because they all sold out when I was dying for it, and it is such a good one, guys. Even if you're not a fan of David Tennant, which I am a big fan of David Tennant, he's my favourite Doctor, still, trust me, just get it, because it is really worth it. And you can have so much fun with it, and the playability is beyond imagination, basically. It's just so fun to play with, and you can play with it all day, basically. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.